How to play Spotify through your mic. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your browser and download a Spotify desktop app. And after that, you can even head over to spotify.com and download Windows or Mac version depending upon your device. You can easily install and test your microphone as well. Make sure your microphone is properly installed and working. And after that, you can plug it in your computer and test it in your audio settings to confirm it's accurately set up. After that, you simply need to download VoiceMeeter Virtual Audio Mixer. For that, let's open a new tab and search for Virtual Audio Meter software. And after that, different results will appear. You simply need to click on the first link. And after that, this interface will open up VV audio software, where you need to make sure that you have chosen VoiceMeter. Scroll down, click on download button, and you simply need to download and install VoiceMeter Virtual Audio Mixer. Once done, you need to go back into the Spotify applications or website. Click the profile icon at top right and enter the setting. And on this section, you need to make sure that you have turned on local files in a Spotify. You can toggle the button on for use compact library layout. So basically on your library section, you'll find local files. Toggle the button on so that Spotify allows you to play through the VoiceMeter mixer. And once done, finally you can play your favorite song and your microphone will pick it through the VoiceMeter setup. You can enjoy sharing your Spotify audio through your mic. So you can simply search using the Windows search icon at bottom left and open the VoiceMeter, and after that you can easily configure VoiceMeter as your output devices. You can easily increase or decrease the speed or gain on this VoiceMeter and then play Spotify through your mic. So I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.